In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off animated thumbnails on your TikTok. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you open up your TikTok application, you can see that thumbnails for the videos have some animation, and if you look on videos like that, all the images are moving a little, and this option can be turned off. For that, tap on this three lines icon and select here Settings and Privacy option. Then scroll down for a bit and select Accessibility, and there toggle off that option, Animated Thumbnail, and let's check what will change. Let me close application and open it again. Go to my profile, and here I see that there are no more animation.